Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The market has been undergoing a correction recently and we have been seeing a lot of red days, so I figured that I'll do a video update on my option income ETFs and what I'll be doing during this market correction. So we've been seeing a lot of red days and noticing a lot of new YouTubers online in the option income space. Many of them are starting to panic and sell out their ULTY, MSTY, as well as their other option income funds. And this is very typical during a bearish sentiment. Like now, we see that a lot of people are paper handing and they let their fear take over. There's nothing wrong with that. If you are not comfortable holding option income ETFs and you're not comfortable with the volatility and worried about NAV erosion, then by all means, liquidate your position if it gives you a peace of mind. For myself, I treat my option income ETF as a cash flow instrument, and also at the same time, I'm experimenting with all this and letting time ride out and see what is the long-term effect and what is the long-term return. So for me, I wouldn't be cashing out or liquidating my option income ETFs anytime soon because I still think that it's still too early to see anything yet. If anything, this is a test of how resilient the option income ETFs are during a bearish sentiment environment like now. So as we are taking a look at the ULTY fund, the Ultra Options ULTY fund, we can see that the price has dropped down to 5.79 today on the 19th August 2025. And in fact, for the past few days, I've been adding at the low 6 region. And today I just picked up a few more shares at the 5.8-ish region as well for ULTY. And I actually added quite a substantial amount because I feel that if we were to take a look at the ULTY, the price has been relatively stable after they adjusted their strategy since March. And the lowest that we've seen, or the floor, is at about 5.2 something. So for the price to reach this level today at 5.79, I think that it is possible that the price can still go downwards towards the 5.5 level, just based off the technical analysis. 5.5 to 5.2, this region is the swing low. So there could be more further downside ahead. So I'm taking my time to add. Even though I've added quite a substantial amount over the past week or so, but I still do keep some money at the side. Probably my last tranche of funds that I am okay to use on option income ETFs, I'll be saving it up if it hits 5.5 and below. But for now, I've added quite a lot of ULTY. Later, I'll show you guys my spreadsheet. Basically, okay, yeah. Basically, that's what I'm doing. I've been adding, and if let's say it reaches 5.5, then I'll be adding my last tranche of ULTY and just leaving it there for it to run. So ULTY is still giving me dividends every week, so I'm not too concerned. As long as the dividend stays around the 0.1 region, I think I'm quite happy with it. And hopefully it will revert back to the mean, which is around the 6.2 to 6.3 region. For the past couple of weeks around this region, 6.25, that would be great. Moving on to MSTY, this is the one that's a bit more concerning. I've seen so many YouTubers selling out their MSTY fund and changing into other things because they are just freaking out. So for MSTY, the fund has been reaching almost the all-time low. Today it's trading at $17, and if we were to look at the all-time low for MSTY, that's around that price. So unless Bitcoin prices recover and MSTR recover, what I foresee for MSTY is that it will still hover around this region for the foreseeable future if MSTR stock doesn't recover. But if we were to zoom out the charts of MSTY, we can find that MSTY do experience kind of cyclical regions and cyclical price action. So it goes up a lot, goes down a lot as well, and then goes up quickly and then goes down again. So if this price action pattern were to continue, then my belief is that we are actually at all-time lows for MISTY and near the floors. So any potential downside would be much more lesser as compared to the future. And we may even experience a bullish move up from here if, let's say, BTC prices increase, resulting in the MSTR prices increase. Still think that there's hope for a bullish momentum up, breaking above the $20 level if, let's say, that happens. And if we are very lucky, if Bitcoin reaches something like 150,000 or 200,000 by the end of this year, we may even move up even more to $25 and above. So for now, again, I'm not selling anything for my MSTY. I don't think I'll be adding at the same time unless it breaks to the $16 level, which I highly doubt so. That will only happen if MSTR crashes, and for that to happen, the whole market sentiment must be really bearish, and we should be going into a bear market if that happens. But in any case, I'll be happy to continue receiving dividends. We have seen the dividends for Misty dropping slightly. Right now it's about 1.1, 1.2. I hope Misty dividends doesn't fall below 1. That would be quite concerning. But for now, anything above 1, I'll take it. All right. That being said, I'll continue to monitor MSTY and ULTY, and hopefully the price recovers. And if, let's say, I do spot anything really concerning, I will let you guys know, and I'll probably then make a decision whether to reduce my position or not for my option income ETFs. But for now, I'm not. I'm just holding it on and seeing uh, how they fare during these bearish market seasons. Yeah, so basically my whole idea is that I want to let it run like a business to see whether it's viable or not. When we run a business, it's normal to have some days where we encounter losses, and I do not want to just pull out during the loss-making days. I want to stay for the medium term to long term and see how the price action moves and whether this business idea is viable or not. So I'm taking that approach. Okay, so let's take a look at how much ULTY that I've added in total. So right now I have a total of 9,600 units of ULTY, and that is a total invested amount of 60,000 US dollars, which is quite a big sum of money, to be honest. And my average cost price is at about 6.25. Right now it's trading at 5.8, so I'm down pretty bad. Unrealized profit of negative $4,400. That being said, I did collected distributions due date of $2,000. So my total ULTY profit and loss statement is negative 2.3K. That being said, I'm still receiving dividends every week. So I do see that if, let's say, price doesn't change much from here, I will break even in probably a couple of weeks to 2 months time. That is my estimate. As for my MSTY position, I currently have 1.7K, 1,700 units of MSTY at an average cost price of 21.19, and that is a total invested amount of $36,000. So total that is about 36,000 plus 60,000, that's 96,000, almost 100K invested in both MSTY and ULTY. So I probably won't be adding more unless I really spot a good deal, like I mentioned previously. If not, I'll just stay put and see what is the market's reaction, and also how will the option income ETFs perform against the market. So this is the amount of money that I'm okay to put in and let it ride. So even if during a market correction like now, I will not be pulling out unless there's a very huge change in the fundamentals. I will just let it run like a business and see whether this will work out long term or not. So yeah, I hope this video serves as a important reminder to everyone who invests into not only option income ETFs but also crypto or any other unconventional investment instrument, to know what you're investing in, and please do your own due diligence and research in the markets and also in the investment instruments very thoroughly so that you have conviction to hold through during bearish times, and also do not invest money that you can't afford to lose. That's the most important point. All right, so I hope this video is useful for you guys, and I hope this video also calms you guys down during the bear market or bearish season right now. From August to October, these few months are quite bearish, and I'm very excited to see how all this option income strategy will fare during these bearish times. And yeah, with that, I hope you guys learned something from today's video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, whereby we'll take a look at the UMAX distribution for ULTY for this coming week. Alright, so stay tuned and see you guys.